12 Science Subject Mathematics and Statistics Part 2nd Chapter number 2nd Applications of Derivatives. Dear students, we are going to study Rolle's theorem. Rolle's theorem or Rolle's lemma. If a real valued function f is continuous on closed interval, differentiable on open interval ab, and f of a equal to f of b. Here are three conditions: f continuous on closed interval ab, differentiable on open interval ab, and value of the function at these 2 points are equal. Then there exists at least one point c in the open interval ab such that its derivative is 0, that is f dash of c is 0. Rolle's theorem essentially states that any real valued differential function that attains equal values at two distinct points on it. Here is a and b, two distinct points, but the value is same. It must have at least one stationary point somewhere in between them. Here is some stationary point in between a and b. That is a point where the first derivative is 0. First derivative, that is f dash of c, is 0. First derivative means slope of the tangent line of the graph of the function. Geometrical significance. Let f of x be a real valued function defined on closed interval ab, and it is continuous on closed interval ab. This means that we can draw the graph f of x between the values x equal to a and x equal to b. Suppose here is function. Interval is a to b. Value of the function is f of a, here is f of b at 2 points ab. Suppose here is a function f of x. Suppose curve in this way. In the interval ab, values of the point a and b are f of a and f of b. The tangent is at a point c. Here is tangent at a point c to the curve. The point c in between a and b, that is f dash of c, is 0, means here the tangent parallel to x axis. Also f of x differentiable on open interval ab, which means the graph of f of x has tangent at each point of ab. Now the existence of the real number c belongs to ab such that f dash of c is equal to 0. Here is the point c, here the tangent is drawn. Shows that the tangent to the curve at x equal to c has a slope 0. Here is slope 0, that is the parallel to x axis. Tangent is parallel to x axis. Its value is equal, f of a equal to f of b. Examples. Check whether conditions of Rolle's theorem are satisfied by the following function. F of x equal to 2x cubed minus 5x square plus 3x plus 2. X belongs to closed interval 0, 3 by 2. We know that three conditions. Solution. Given f of x equal to 2x cubed minus 5x square plus 3x plus 2, denoted by equation 1. Here is polynomial function. Therefore, f of x is polynomial which is continuous on closed interval. Polynomial function is continuous on closed interval. Also, it is differentiable on open interval. Polynomial function is continuous and differentiable everywhere. Therefore, in these intervals, they are continuous and differentiable. We take a equal to 0 and b equal to 3 by 2. Find its value of the function. X equal to a equal to 0 from equation 1 we get. F of a, that is f of 0. Put x equal to 0. Then 2 into 0 cube minus 5 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 2 in this equation x equal to 0. Then is 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. For x equal to b equal to 3 by 2 from equation first, put these values x equal to 3 by 2. f of b equal to f of 3 by 2, value of b is 3 by 2 equal to 2 into 3 by 2 cube minus 5 into 3 by 2 square plus 3 into 3 by 2 plus 2. Putting the values in equation 1. Then f of b equal to f of 3 by 2. Here is 3 cube. 3 into 3, 9 into 3, 27 into 2, 54 divided by 2 cube is 8, 54 divided by 3 square is 9, 9 into 5, 45 divided by 2 square is 4, therefore minus 45 divided by 4. 3 into 3, 9 divided by 2 plus 2. First three terms, take 8 is LCM, then 54 as it is minus 2 into 45 is 90, 4 into 9 is 36. 54 plus 36, 90. Here is minus 90. 90 minus 90, 0. 0 divided by 8 is 0. Here is plus 2 remaining. Therefore, is equal to 2. So, f of a equal to f of b. That is, value of f of 0 is 2 and value of f of 3 by 2 is equal to 2. Hence, conditions of Rolle's theorem are satisfied. First condition continuous, second condition differentiable, third condition f of a equal to f of b. Hence, Rolle's theorem is satisfied. Example second. Check whether the conditions of Rolle's theorem are satisfied by the following function. F of x equal to x square minus 2x plus 3. X belongs to closed interval 1, 4. Here is also f of x polynomial. Therefore, it is continuous on closed interval and differential on open interval. Here is f of x is a polynomial. Therefore, continuous on closed and differential on open. A equal to 1 and b equal to 4. Find the values of the function at these 2 points. F of a equal to f of 1. Put x equal to 1. 1 square minus 2 into 1 plus 3 is equal to 2. For x equal to b equal to 4, from equation 1 we get f of b equal to f of 4 equal to 4 square minus 2 into 4 plus 3. Simplifying we get 11. So here f of 1 is 2, f of 4 is 11 are not equal. That is f of a not equal to f of b, that is f of 1 not equal to f of 4. Hence conditions of Rolle's theorem are not satisfied. Example number 3. Check the validity of the Rolle's theorem for the following function is f of x equal to x square minus 4x plus 3x belongs to closed interval 1, 3. Solution. F is a polynomial function. Hence is continuous on closed interval and differential on open interval. Here is a equal to 1, b equal to 3. Therefore find the value of a is first f of 1. Put x equal to 1. Then 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus 3 equal to 1 minus 4 plus 3 equal to 0. Also find f of 3. Then 3 square minus 4 into 3 plus 3 equal to 9 minus 12 plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, f of 1 equal to f of 3. Both values are same. Hence, the function f satisfies all the conditions of the Rolle's theorem. Example number 4. Check the validity of the Rolle's theorem for the following function is f of x equal to e raised to minus x into sin x. X belongs to closed interval 0 to pi. Solution. The function e raised to minus x and sin x are continuous and differentiable on their domains. Therefore, the function f of x equal to e raised to x minus x into sin x continuous on closed interval 0 to pi and differential on open interval 0 to pi. Find the values of the function at this point. Here is f of 0. Put x equal to 0. E raised to 0 into sin 0. E raised to 0 is 1. Value of sin 0 is 0. 1 into 0 is equal to 0. Also f of pi. Then e raised to minus pi into sin pi. E raised to minus pi. Value of sin pi is 0. Therefore is equal to 0. Value of f of 0 and f of pi is equal to 0 is same. Therefore f of 0 equal to f of pi. Thus the function f satisfies all conditions of the Rolle's theorem. Example 5. Check the validity of the Rolle's theorem for the following function is f of x equal to 2x square minus 5x plus 3. X belongs to closed interval 1, 3. The function f is f of x, 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is a polynomial function. Hence it is continuous on closed interval 1, 3 and differential on open interval 1, 3. Find the values at this point. F of 1 equal to, put x equal to 1. 2 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 3 equal to 2 minus 5 plus 3 equal to 0. Also at a point 3, that is f of 3. 2 into 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 3 equal to 18 minus 15 plus 3 equal to 6. Both values are not same. Therefore, f of 1 not equal to f of 3, hence the condition of the Rolle's theorem are not satisfied. Example 6. Check the validity of the Rolle's theorem for the following function. F of x equal to sin x minus cos x plus 3. X belongs to closed interval 0 to 2 pi. Solution. The functions sin x, cos x and 3 are continuous and differentiable on their domains. Here trigonometric functions, constant function. Hence f of x equal to sin x minus cos x plus 3 is continuous on closed interval 0 to pi and differentiable on an open interval 0 to pi. Value of the function at this point. First f of 0. Put x equal to 0. Sin 0 minus cos 0 plus 3. Value of sin 0 is 0 minus value of cos 0 is 1 plus 3 is equal to 2. And f of 2 pi. Put x equal to 2 pi. Sin 2 pi minus cos 2 pi plus 3. Value of sin 2 pi is 0 minus value of cos 2 pi is 1 plus 3 is equal to 2. Both the values are same. Therefore, f of 0 equal to f of 2 pi. Thus, the function f satisfies all the conditions of the Rolle's theorem. First condition, continuous on closed interval. Second condition, differential on open interval. And third condition is f of 0 equal to f of 2 pi, means f of a equal to f of b. Therefore, f satisfies the Rolle's theorem. Example number 7. Check the validity of the Rolle's theorem for the following function is f of x equal to x square if 0 is less than equal to x less than equal to 2. Equal to 6 minus x if 2 is less than x less than equal to 6. Solution. F of x equal to x square if 0 is less than equal to x less than 2. Equal to 6 minus x if 2 is less than x less than equal to 6. Find its derivative of dash of x. That is derivative of x square is equal to 2x. On the first interval 0 is less than equal to x less than equal to 2. Then d by dx of 6 minus x, second function. Derivative of 6 constant of its derivative is 0. Minus derivative of x is 1, therefore minus 1. If 2 is less than x less than equal to 6. Here is at point 2. Finds its left derivative and right derivative. Here is left derivative, that is f dash of 2. Here is 2. Put x equal to 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Then right derivative at the point f dash of 2. Here is right, here is constant term is same. Left derivative not equal to right derivative. Left derivative at a point 2 not equal to right derivative at a point 2. Hence f is not differentiable at x equal to 2 and 2 here is belongs to the interval 0 to 6. Therefore, f is not differentiable at all points on open interval 0 to 6. Hence, the conditions of the Rolle's theorem are not satisfied. Example number 8. Check the validity of the Rolle's theorem for the following function. F of x equal to x raised to 2 by 3. X belongs to closed interval minus 1, 1. Solution. F of x equal to x raised to 2 by 3. Then its derivative. d by dx of x raised to 2 by 3. We use the formula x raised to n as n x raised to n minus 1. We get 2 by 3 x raised to minus 1 by 3. Then 2 by 3. Take this degree positive, therefore in denominator x raised to plus 1 by 3 means cube root of x. Therefore f dash of x equal to 2 by 3 into cube root of x. This does not exist at x equal to 0. Suppose x equal to 0, then denominator is 0. Therefore does not exist at x equal to 0. But 0 belongs to the interval minus 1, 1. Therefore f is not differentiable on the interval minus 1, 1. Hence the conditions of the Rolle's theorem are not satisfied. Thank you.